Hey guys, Ashley here and welcome back to a brand new video. For anybody new here, I do share this channel with my twin sister Courtney, so you get two different houses on one channel and two uploads per week, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. As you guys can tell from this overview, I am going to be doing a bathroom deep clean scrub down. So if you need some bathroom cleaning motivation, this video is for you guys. Usually I do one video of my bathroom like this because it just needs some tender love and care and a lot of time done. So I'm giving you guys the overview. The corners of my shower needs a good scrubbing. I like to use my, what is it called? The toilet gel bleach cleaner in the corners of my shower because it clings to it and it gets the job done. And I just use a Dollar Tree scrubber. I'm telling you, all the hair and dirt all over the floor, all of the dust all over everything. And the sink had hair and, toothpaste and everything like that and dirt. So, yeah, my bathroom just needs a lot of TLC. And I do hope you guys enjoyed today's bathroom cleaning motivation. And I'm going to let the music play. I'm going to be popping in and out here and there. Probably not too much as it is just one room and we're just trying to get the job done. All right, let's get this music going, guys.
I know the sign was given. It's in the way you move and in the sound of your heart. We tend to fall together, fall in love, and still in the end we'll fall apart. So it's hopeless that we stay close, but it's the life that we chose. It takes time to get it right. Sleepless days and nights. We just need a little more. Just a little time for you and I. So stay a bit longer. Just a little time for you and I, until it's over. Just a little time. I think that we got blinded, 'cause when it's good it's great, so we can't see we're fading away. So it's hopeless that we stay close, but it's the life that we chose. It takes time to get it right. Sleepless days and nights. We just need a little more. Just a little time for you and I. So stay a bit longer. Just a little time for you and I, until it's over. Just a little time. Just a little time.
Sink and mirror is all wiped down. I just put the gel bleach cleaner on the bottom surface, the four corners and the walls of the shower. Gotta let that sit for 10 minutes. I also used it inside of the toilet. I do not let it touch the rim of the toilet because that's just weird to me, just like cross-contamination or something, even though it's technically made for the toilet. But any hoosers, I went and cleaned out the trash can, and now I just want to get to organizing the toilet area, the shelving and everything like that. Make it look nice and clean, get all that dust and everything off of there so it just smells clean and looks clean. That is the goal for today's video, is to have it smell clean at the end of the day and have it all nice and scrubbed down. You know, nothing like having a dirty bathroom that smells good so you get a weird vibe. Let me know if that's just me, like where you walk into a room and like it's dirty but yet it smells clean, so it's just like, what are you trying to cover up here? I don't know, maybe it's just me overthinking it, but Yeah. Oh, and I'm just going in with my usual my usual cleaner. It is Pinsol and water mixture. It's a disinfectant and it smells strong and it works amazing. So, yeah.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light. Like you did last night. Night. Like you did last night. Night. Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light. Like you did last night. Night. Like you did last night. Night. Come back to my place, we can dance the night away. My heart is screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light. Like you did last night. Night. Like you did last night. Night. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. Don't need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. On my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't
once I am all done sweeping, I go in with my Dollar Tree little mop type of thing, like rag mop thing, microfiber. And I start mopping the floors. And once again, I'm just using the Pinsol and water spray mixture. And then that will wrap it up for today's video. I just want to say thank you so much for joining me in today's video, even though you didn't have to. And a very huge thank you for sticking it out to the end, because that just shows us that you really do enjoy today's, our uploads in general, but you definitely enjoyed today's video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. We would love it for you guys to join our channel. Give it a thumbs up, share it out if you're feeling a little bit generous today. But once again, just thank you for taking time out of your day to watch our videos. It means more than you guys will ever know. And I will see you guys next Thursday with a brand new video. And then stay tuned, guys, for the end of today's video to see the nice, clean overview. I do hope you enjoyed today's bathroom deep cleaning motivation that I had for you guys today. So, yeah. See you guys next week. Bye, guys.
Heard it from a friend, she was in our bed, should've known better. Said it was the truth, she came onto you, yeah, but you let her. Knocked me over 10 feet forward. Never knew I could sleep alone good, I've never been better. You're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Remember when you tried putting up a fight? Bet you feel stupid. Tried to make a scene, didn't change a thing. Damn it, you blew it. And you're probably out there somewhere missing me. Wish I had an ounce of sympathy. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Hope it hurts like hell. I hate to hate someone, but you make it so easy. Make it so damn easy. Hate to say I won, but you're the one who needs me, and I'm the one who's leaving. Yeah, I tell my friends that I wish you well, but the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like hell. Like hell. When you see me leaving here with someone else, well, the truth is, honey, that I hope it hurts like